In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a sticky footer on Clickfunnel. A sticky footer is a footer section that stays visible on the screen as your visitors scroll, usually locked to the bottom of the page. This is perfect for things like call to action buttons, countdown timers, or important links you always want in view. I'll walk you through exactly how to set this up inside the Clickfunnel editor step by step. First, you'll need to either create or select the footer section you want to use. If you're building from scratch, go into your page editor and add a new section at the bottom of your page that will act as your footer. You can include elements like text, buttons, or icons there. If you already have a pre-designed footer or you're using a template, simply import or select that existing footer section instead. The key is that you know which specific section you want to turn into the sticky footer. Next, hover your mouse over that footer section until you see the section controls appear. In the top right corner of the section, you'll see the gear icon. Click that gear to open the section settings. This is where you control how the section behaves and how it looks. Once the settings panel is open, look for the area labeled Size and Position. Depending on your version of the editor, this might be in a tab or a collapsible section, but it will be clearly named. Go ahead and open that so you can see all of the positioning controls for the section. Inside the size and position settings, you'll find an option for sticky. This is the setting that allows the section to stay fixed on the screen as visitors scroll. Turn on or enable the sticky option. As soon as you do this, the section will be treated as a fixed element on the page. Now choose where you want it to stick. Since we're creating a footer, you'll typically want it fixed to the bottom of the screen, so select the bottom position. If you were instead creating a sticky header, you would choose the top option here, but for a footer, bottom is the standard choice. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save button in the editor so your sticky footer settings are applied. Once that's done, preview your page and scroll up and down to confirm that your footer stays locked in place at the bottom of the screen.